AI is coming for your job, man, just not in the way you think. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments, back with another back with another video, man. And today, I'm talking about what I've been seeing, what I've been working on, and the implications it has for all of you guys out here. So, what I'm starting to notice is, in the regular jobs in the real world, AI is coming to take money kind of out your pocket, but not in the way everybody thinks. The news is so obsessed with AI is going to take your job, AI is going to take your job. But in real life, that's not necessarily what's happening. I know this because in real life, outside of this channel, I've been building some AI systems for some local businesses. I've been working with a lot of restaurants. And the main two things I've been building for these restaurants are systems where AI answers your phone call and pushes orders to a point of sale system. There are other competitors to this product, but the one we're making does a few extra things. But I say that not to talk about the product I'm building. I say that to explain the repercussions of that. The main two systems that I'm working on that the businesses are interested in is AI scheduling and systems that automatically answer the phone and start some sort of work. So what does that mean for the average person? No, those systems don't necessarily take your job, but what these systems are all designed to do, essentially, they're going to make the average person do more work. Like, for example, the systems I'm working to put in restaurants. If the restaurant is busy and the restaurant's flooded and a call comes in during rush hour, staff's too busy to answer it. With these AI systems, AI answers the phone and pushes the order to the point of sale system, and the staff got to cook the order anyway. Now, does that help the staff in any way, form, or fashion? No. It just gives them more work. Do they get an upgrade because the system's in their job? No. They're just going to be expected to do more work for the same money. And that's what AI is finna do to everybody. Also, I'm working on an AI scheduling app. And a lot of people and other businesses have AI scheduling apps too. What do those do? They predict demand on your business. They predict what type of events could cause people to call off. When people call off, they automatically reach out to the temps and the people who don't got overtime automatically first, and only reach to and try to avoid overtime at all costs. It only reaches to a situation where you would have to do overtime dead last. So with that system implemented in a business, what would that do to the average employee? It's going to reduce your chances for overtime. This is what I mean when I say left behind. And this is the stuff people don't see. Everybody wants to stick with the old way. And it's things like this that make that not necessarily possible, because these are just some of the systems I'm working on. And, you know, I've only been learning AI for like a year, 2 years type situation, like maybe a little over a year. So there are more systems like this. What I'm noticing about AI, most of the systems are designed to optimize the company. We're all learning how to build AI to optimize these businesses or optimize their own business. Guess who they're not trying to optimize for? The employee at all. All these systems are designed to help the business owner run more efficient and make the employee do more work for the same money. So what can you guys do about it? These type of systems change the rules. What you need to do is, hopefully you're investing, saving, you know what I'm saying, buying some stocks, hopefully even buying some AI stocks, you know what I'm saying, like I did. That helps. That gives you a head start. But also, you cannot depend on systems that are about to go algorithmic on you, man. I would advise everybody to start learning AI as soon as they can, so you could, I'm not saying quit your job, but you want to be able to get on the other side of this. You don't only want to be in systems where they're implementing things to make sure you get the same or less money. You want to be involved in systems where you're providing value and you're being given the money. Like, AI is some get down and lay down shit right now. Do you want to be a victim of these AI systems, or do you want to build these systems and benefit your company? Do you want to have employees working for you, or do you want to be getting told what to do by an AI? Because that's where we're going. Like, I would tell people, unless you're like in a protected field, like If you're in a field where they got a contract where they're specifically trying to stop automation, then you got to pause maybe till 2030 or so. But these systems are going to take off, and they don't need to replace you to mess up your pockets, basically, is what I'm saying. All they need to do is make things more efficient. If they can get people to do more work for the same money, that's beautiful for them. If they can get people to be more efficient, if they can give out less overtime, that helps the business alone. They haven't even fired a single person yet. The robots will come, and that's going to come in the future. But right now, it's just about optimizing. Like, everybody wants to get more customers. Like, companies going to be using lead gen tools as well. So they're going to be getting more leads, more customers. Who's going to have to serve them? The same employees. Are those employees going to be getting raises? No. What I would tell people, if you're involved in a union job or you've got some sort of leverage or bargaining power or anything like that, you need to start asking for, people are eventually going to come to this realization. In the AI era, as we go forward over the next 5-10 years, I don't think the per hour method is going to hold up for long, or even the salary method, because they're going to rip people off. I mean, for years, they've always gave people salaries and had people doing crazy overtime for no extra money. But AI is going to take all that to the extreme. I would advise people to start, if you can, look into trying to be paid for performance. Look at trying to be paid for your output. Because, like, all right, I've got friends who are chefs. That's one of the ways I'm spreading my app. I was talking to a lot of them, and even before, they're seeing it. Like, I was talking to one guy. He works at a restaurant. They're operating on a churn model. So what he's doing is they've got him in there serving. They got this one person cooking for maybe 50, 60 people, 70 people. Now, normal circumstances, you should have like 2 people in there to do that, 3 people in there to do that. That would be a lot more efficient. But in this era, it's all about maintaining profit margins, expanding profit margins, being as efficient as possible. That comes before everything else. So if you can get one person to do the same work of 2 people, you save a whole employee's worth of money. And the trade-off is minimal. Will the customer's order come a little later? Sure. Will some of them get a little frustrated? Sure. But these companies are optimizing for customer service right now. We see it in our fast food restaurants every day. These companies are optimizing to what's the lowest point we can push everything and still survive. Like, what's the lowest we could push service quality and still have customers come in? What's the lowest we could push pay on employees and still have them come in? What's the most work we could push on an employee before they quit? Those are the new metrics. It's not about how much we make as regular people working for these places. It's about optimization for them. So the quicker you realize that, the quicker you can get on the right side of this. And that's why I advise everybody to have AI skills, because most of our jobs are under these type of contracts, under these type of situations. You want to have investments. You specifically need some AI investments so you can benefit from this, so you won't just be taking the L from this. But also, you do want to learn how to use AI on the side so you can create things that can provide a different type of value. Because at the same time, they're optimizing to pay the employees less. They're actively looking to spend tens of thousands of dollars to pay these same employees less. So if you can learn these skills and fill in that gap, you're going to make a lot of money. But I'm just giving y'all what I'm seeing out here as someone in the field building AI, talking to businesses in real life, and trying to make things happen. I'm just noticing what I'm seeing and sharing to you guys how I feel about it and how I think you guys should move due to it. And it's your boy Steve from Printing Gang Investments. We're gonna be back with another video. We gotta talk stocks as well. You already know. I'm gonna see y'all soon.